Want to know how to generate your first code in Cloud AI? So navigating and using Cloud AI is super simple. So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily see or generate your first code. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply head towards cloud.ai and you should be under this interface once you have logged in. And now once everything is done, here you should be seeing your chat box popping up, and just simply select code right here if you want to generate a quick code, or you can just simply type in your default one as well. So I can just simply select this. So in order to generate a code, I have just simply written a prompt right here, and its code should be written. So as you can see right here, it should give you a proper code, which is a tic-tac-toe game for me. And there you go. Your code has been written. So it should give you a detailed version of it right here and how it works. And you can also download the C file as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.